wash your hands. Aloha! Today, we are making banana sandwiches. Your supplies will be a knife, a plate,
banana, granola, and peanut butter.
Let's get started.
Step 1, peel the banana.
Step 2, cut banana lengthwise. And don't cut yourself. Next step, we're going to spread the peanut butter on the sliced bananas. Peanut butter. Do you like peanut butter? No? I love peanut butter. I love it. Slice one. And slice two. Next step. Yum. Spread it all over the peanut butter. Now this side. Yum. One more.
Okay, that's a bit of
It's perfect. Next step, put one slice on top of the other. Now it's time for the taste test. Cheers. Enjoy. Throw away your trash.
Put food back in that pantry. Wash the dishes.